Good morning. My name is Audrey St. Germain. I am starting a video series called A Crash Course in Kindergarten. Thanks, coronavirus. I'm going to do all of my video disclaimers here at the top of the video. Have no makeup on and am in my robe. I am at home with 3 children and a husband and a dog. I have no idea how to edit videos, so this is likely going to be one long take with ums and me searching for words, and I'm really sorry about that. I am hoping that this is helpful to parents who suddenly find themselves at home with young children and just have no idea where to start, what to do, how to dig through the online resources. That's my hope. I hope that I can give you some perspective and some understanding, and a place to begin and a place to feel confident in yourselves. I also am not a homeschooler. I have no idea how to homeschool. I have a 3rd grader, a 1st grader, and a pre-Ker. I am with you. I know how to teach kindergarten to a classroom full of 25 kids or 26 kids in a public school setting. So what I'm hoping is to give you some resources and some ideas that work and can be translated from school to home. That is my hope. I have no idea how to help right now, and this is what I can do, and I'm hoping that it is helpful to you. Just some background. I teach in Houston, Texas. I teach a class that is a Vanguard ESL class, and the only reason I tell you that is to say that I teach students who have been identified as GT that are typically above grade level. I also teach students who have English as a second language, and I also teach students that are zoned to kindergarten, zoned to my class. So all of that to say, I teach a wide range of ability. So a lot of my perspective is not kids that are just sitting right on grade level. It's kids below and at and above grade level. And I hope that's helpful to you guys. I have notes over here just because I've done this video like 18 times already, and so I'm going to refer to them. My goal is to go through big kindergarten objectives and in very short snippets explain to you why they're important and give you some ideas and some strategies to address those objectives, to give you kind of a framework of what we're looking for and what, how to not fall behind. Also, everybody take a breath. This is really hard and this is really stressful, and it's okay if they watch too much TV right now, and it's okay if they play outside for too long. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to be, in my comment section, I'm going to be linking resources that I like for each of those objectives. The volume of resources, the online resources that are available currently is spectacular. It's amazing. But even as someone who knows what I'm looking for in those resources, it is overwhelming. So I cannot imagine what it's like to be a parent who is a physical therapist or a social worker and has no framework for what they're looking for. I'm gonna be doing a lot of sorting over the next several days and continuing through the next several weeks to help you identify, like, this is a really good one, use this. I'm hoping to start putting out some videos rather quickly. I'm going to do one on scheduling. I'm going to do a couple of Houston ISD specific ones for families, helping families to access our online resources. I'll do a general online resources one. And then if you guys have any questions or specific concerns or questions that you'd like me to address, comment on the video or comment on a Facebook post that you see, and let me know, and I'll try and address those. To end this, I want to say that this is hard. What we're doing right now is really hard, and I want to tell you that kids are so resilient, and they're really going to be okay. And if you're watching this searching for ways to help your kiddo, I know that your kiddo is going to be okay in all of this. Hang with me. Let me know if you have questions or concerns. That's how I'm going to end my video.